destined for me. This shit was destined for me. I swear that they can see greatness in me. Yeah, they can see greatness in me. This shit gotta make me, ain't no breaking me. I hope this shit take me far as I can see. I swear this shit here was destined for me. Yeah, hey, hey, hey.
Alright, what's good YouTube? My name is Jonathan Valderas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chin of the Welder 979. Come along with me to pursue my dream, perfect my craft as a welder, and not taught us to welder. So today we're going to talk about PPE, personal protective equipment. Just talk about what you need and how or why would you need it. Alright, you're going to need safety glasses for when... Safety glasses to protect your eyes. You're going to need it for when you're welding with stick or flux core, anything that involves slag and all that at the end of your weld. When you chip it with the hammer, the slag can peel off and then scatter all around and fly around. With the glasses, you'll just hit it and then block it. And if you don't have glasses, it'll just go inside your eye and damage it. So make sure to have safety glasses. When you're grinding, if you don't have no face shield or a welding hood that's automatic to change to grinding, make sure to have it. So, because if you weld without nothing, without nothing damage your face. With safety glasses that help out, so nothing when it sparks from the grinding, it can fly up to your eye. Alright, you're gonna need a welder's jacket that's long sleeve. So when you weld, you're next to a weld, it gets hot, so you don't want to make it burn your arm. And when you weld, it also releases like BBs that can cause harm to like damage your arm and injury. So make sure to have it so it can like block off and then just slide and you can still weld. But it'll still be hot, but don't get too close to it. You're gonna need pants with no holes or flare ends that can cause a fire, and it protects your legs from the BBs when you weld. You're gonna need boots that are steel toed, so if there's heavy metal, it won't fall on your foot and crush it, and then boom, you can't walk right. Alright, you're gonna need leather gloves. This is good, so when you weld, it won't burn your hands or fingers. If you touch hot metal, you can grab hot metal, but use pliers with it as well, just in case, so you won't burn your hand. If you don't have a leather glove, if you want to grab something that's hot by accident, boom, you have like first degree burn or something because it's so hot from the weld. You need a welder's cap to protect your hair, scalp, and then if you're welding overhead or something that requires you to weld, requires you below the welding line, they can just come off and then just roll down, and then you can go on with your day without yourself burning your hair or your scalp or anything, or leaving like any type of markers that from slag BBs. Alright, you're gonna need a welding hood to protect your eyes when you're welding, so you won't look at the light of the weld. And if you look at the weld for a long period of time without a welding hood or any type of lens, it can damage your eyes. It can make you go blind, or you can get welder's eyes. Trust me, you don't want that. It feels like sandpaper up in your eyes. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep hymns on your mind. Remember, females love welders.